In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pull data from another sheet in Smartsheet. We'll walk through bringing existing data into your workspace so you can manage it alongside your current projects. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to watch for during the import so everything lands cleanly in Smartsheet. Start on the home screen in Smartsheet. This is your central hub, and it's the quickest way to get to the place where your new data will live. If you see a suggested section, check there first. Smartsheet often surfaces your recent or relevant workspaces to save you time. If it's not there, open all workspaces to see the full list available to you. Open the workspace where you want the imported sheet to live. You'll be adding a new item to this location, so make sure you have the right permissions. Once inside, look for the option to add content to the workspace. Choose Add to Workspace, and then hover over Import. This reveals the different sources you can bring data from. For today, select Microsoft Excel. This is a common way to pull structured data into Smartsheet when it already exists in a spreadsheet. Next, click Select and choose the file that contains the sheet you want to bring in. A quick tip before you proceed, make sure your spreadsheet has a single header row, uses consistent column types, and avoids merged cells. Clean headers help Smartsheet map your columns accurately. Click Continue to move into the preview. Take a moment to confirm you're importing the correct worksheet from your file and that the columns look right. Pay attention to date and number formats. What you see here is what Smartsheet will create as a new sheet. If anything looks off, cancel and adjust your source file rather than fixing a messy import later. When everything looks good, click Import. Smartsheet will create a new sheet inside your chosen workspace using the data you provided. When it finishes, open the new sheet to double-check that row counts, headers, and column types match your expectations. If you notice odd formatting, adjust column properties in Smartsheet to align with how you plan to use the data. Keep in mind that spreadsheet formulas typically come over as values, so plan to rebuild any needed calculations with Smartsheet formulas afterward. That's the full process. Start at home, find your workspace, add to it, import from Excel, select your file, continue through the preview, and finish with import. With this approach, you can quickly pull data into Smartsheet and get back to managing your work.